Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is dropping minus 6.48% right now at this second. It is dropping sharply, it is losing support levels, the situation is a little bit horrid, so let's update our thoughts over here. But first, remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, consider subscribing because I am here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks. Maybe not tomorrow and this Friday because I will be out of town. But still, I'm here almost every single day in normal circumstances. So please subscribe to this channel. Now, regarding Tesla is in the daily chart, in the midterm, we are talking about a bear trend, okay? In fact, Tesla is already in a bear trend since, let me see, well, since November, we are down 40%. So yeah, we have been in a bear market for a while. Of course, we had some amazing bullish legs over here, but overall speaking, the bias is a little bit bearish over here in the daily chart at least, alright? In the long term, in the weekly chart, we see this resistance connecting the previous top levels, but in the long term, we are still bullish, okay? Tesla is still bullish. As long as we keep trading above $710, the bias will remain bullish, okay, in the long term. But I agree with you, in the daily chart, in the midterm, we are very bearish, especially since April over here, because we have been consistently doing lower highs, lower lows. So we are below the EMA. The EMA worked as a resistance level for us over here. So yeah, the situation is not that good. It is not necessarily Tesla's fault. The entire stock market is a shame right now. The Nasdaq index is dropping 6 weeks in a row. I told you guys last week, I found that very unlikely. This is one of the reasons why I bought Tesla. Tesla is about 10% of my portfolio right now this week. So I bought Tesla because I was not expecting to see the index dropping 6 weeks in a row. As I highlighted in this chart over here, it dropped 6 times or more, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the past 22 years, okay? This time over here, it dropped 7 times, okay? It only dropped more than 6 times once in the past 22 years. So I thought very unlikely to see this drop over here, okay? Statistically speaking, that was very unlikely. So yeah, I think this scenario is a little bit catastrophic, but still, a reaction should occur as soon as possible in order for us to avoid a true bear market on the S&P at least, right? Because the Nasdaq is already in a bear market, okay? We are already dropping more than 20% from the previous top level, which was in November. Right now, we are dropping almost 30%. Wow, that's a very sharp drop. So we are already in a bear market on the Nasdaq. However, on the S&P, we are not in a bear market yet. We are dropping 18%. So still it is a dangerous situation. And why the S&P must react as soon as possible? Because we have some possible necklines for this head and shoulders chart pattern. Either way, we are losing this neckline over here today. This week, we are losing the red line as well. We already lost the black line over here at 41.67 2 weeks ago. So yes, the situation is very dangerous. So it must react as soon as possible. Still, I don't believe we're gonna keep dropping. I mean, guys, it's very hard to see the market doing this, okay? Dropping like this. Right? Retesting the previous top resistance level, support level like this, okay? We're gonna see some bounce back up. It will bounce back up. I can guarantee to you guys, it will bounce back up sooner or later. It's very unlikely to see the indices and Tesla dropping in one single bearish leg, crashing like crazy. This is extremely unlikely. This never happened before. We see amazing bullish movement like this, okay? But usually we see some exhaustion afterwards. Usually we see corrections. And even in a bear market, we see corrections. And what do I mean with corrections? Bullish movements all the way up to the previous resistance levels. In this case, on Tesla, is the 21 EMA. But I do believe if Tesla reacts, and unfortunately so far we don't see any reaction, it would fill this little gap over here, 858. Okay, this would be the next target for us if we see a meaningful reaction, but unfortunately we don't. As far as I know, Tesla is just losing support levels. It lost this support level, it lost this one, 821, it lost our last support level at $780. So far, as far as I know, we are retesting this support level in the daily chart around 756, and this is it, okay? This is it. Maybe we're gonna retest the 700s, maybe. This is a real possibility, especially if we don't see any crystal clear bullish structure right now. As long as we don't see any crystal clear bullish structure, Tesla, unfortunately, will not reverse. For traders, it is a very complex and annoying situation because we don't see any meaningful reaction. To me, it is too late to short or to sell. I mean, if you shorted over here at 1150, okay, that's amazing, but anything less than that, it seems it is a little bit too late. So we don't see any opportunity to sell or to short. We don't see any opportunity to buy. In this case, the best strategy to use is stay on the sidelines. Unfortunately, because Tesla is a great company, it has a lot of potential, but unfortunately, for trading purposes, it is not looking that good right now. If you are a long-term investor, that's amazing. Do you want to talk about fundamentals in Tesla? Let's take a quick look at simply over here. I was about to study Tesla. Tesla, fundamentally speaking, it is still an amazing company. It is still the great company as far as we can see over here. Exceptional growth potential with outstanding track record and a virtually perfect financial health. I see some people saying that Tesla is gonna fail, Tesla is gonna, I don't know, go to zero. This is impossible. Tesla will not go to zero because of this. Let's take a quick look at its financial health. Short-term liabilities are lower than its short-term assets. Its long-term assets are much higher than its long-term liabilities, way higher. This is a true statement of financial resilience. Let's take a quick look at its debt to equity history and analysis. As you can see over here, Tesla has been reducing its debt in the past few years over here, so it is looking quite good. Tesla has more cash than its total debt. Let's look at its cash and equivalents. Wow, way more cash than debt. Tesla's debt to equity ratio has reduced it, and now it's only 9.7%. Tesla debt is well covered by operating cash flow. Tesla's interest payments on its debt are well covered by EBIT or EBIT. I think that's how you pronounce it in English, right? I don't know. I am Brazilian, by the way, if you don't know this, so excuse me for my weird accent. So this is Tesla's financial strength. It's not gonna go to zero. It can't. A company like this simply can't. It's virtually impossible, okay? Very few debts, a lot of cash. It has a very good financial health. When we look at its past performance, it's been amazing. Tesla has been growing consistently. Its future performance is also amazing. 24.3% forecasted annual earnings growth. What this means? It means that roughly in 11 years, we are talking about a 10x stock. Okay, so yeah, Tesla is an amazing company. It has an amazing future potential. Now, you might say, oh, but Tesla is overvalued. Yes, maybe according to some metrics, Tesla should be around a little bit below $500 according to its technical fair value, fundamentally speaking. And you know what? If we see a bear market, if we really see the S&P losing this head and shoulders chart pattern, if we see the Nasdaq actually losing this support level, I see the S&P at 3K and I see the Nasdaq at 10K. Meaning that Tesla will hit roughly the previous support level around the 500s. So it is a quite close technical point, fundamentally speaking and technically speaking. So yes, the 500 seems to be a quite interesting price level. I don't know if we're gonna hit there. I don't think so because, guys, when a company is overvalued, especially a mega cap company, most of the time the fundamentals will catch up with the price instead of the price actually dropping to catch up with the market. We saw this happening on many other stocks like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. All of these stocks were very overpriced in the past, but they didn't drop. They never dropped. So, okay, the fundamentals catch up with the price. So this theory is a very good theory for Tesla. I think that's going to happen. Still, let's keep our eyes open at the $700 area. Let's wait for a bullish reaction. So far, we don't see any bullish reaction. Maybe I will not be able to update you guys this week anymore, but I will be back on Monday as usual. So my friends, remember to subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.